That's right, people, you are seeing that car outside right now. I've got a lot of cars to move around because a couple of them got to go into the garage. Yep, I got like a handful of car keys. Alright, let's start moving some cars and jump starting some with like that one. And yeah, whoo, gonna be some noise. Alright, this car's battery's completely flat. And wow. Okay, car stayed nice and clean. No mold this time after all the deep cleaning I did before. Oh, I miss driving this car so much. Oh my god, it's all connected up. Let's get the baby to start. Everything looks so good. Woo! Yeah, baby. Well, that car's turned on. Need that running for a little bit. I'm gonna jump into this one. Move this out the way first. And now the magic key. Focus on it. Nope, don't want to focus on it. Okay. Well, let's see if it... Battery looks all good. Hopefully it won't need a jump start. I can hear the fuel pump whirring. Right, take it out of gear. Don't want to crash into anything. Oh man, that sounds amazing. Oh, let's jump outside and give this car some fresh air. Oh my god! Just gonna... Oh yes! It's alive! Oh, and I forgot how heavy the clutches are on these. Let's move this car real quick. Park this one in the garage first. I think might park it facing forward. Yeah, I think that would look nicer. Give my brother a little bit more space if he does want to work on the car as well. Alright, that's the car in the garage. Happy days. Trying to get the E30 in there now. Yay, this car's in the garage now as well. Woo! Let's go see the cars. Oh, so hard getting out of the cars once you're parked up in such a tight area. Ugh. Woo! Woo! Ow! Yes. Wait for the boys are back in. Right. That's it now. That's the car's done. I'm gonna fill you guys in on what actually was done to the R33 in a second, guys. In a second. In fact, I might not talk about that right now. I'll talk about that when I'm back. Wait, we'll see. We'll see. There are the cars parked next to each other. This car is a lot lower than me. Brother's just unloading the other car. Oh, it's sad. Oh. Right, the story of this car to be explained later, people.
Then I'll get to start up.
My brother's getting his car checked out. There he is right there. I'm not going to record all this stuff that they're talking about because that could be information that he doesn't want to share like that. So while Richard's down, basically, we've had a few of the other people turn up. Wayne and I'm going to get my car checked out as well, but he's looking at Anthony's car right now. So the mechanic doing his work.
They've held up well.
So Anthony's been told that his car is basically all clear. And Wayne's getting told his car's all clear. My car's about to get checked out now. It's gonna get all kinds of bad news. It's all good. Oh, mom. I love this car. Go, go, go. Bloody hell. So people, to end this part of this video, I know it's a bit of a short one, it's a bit of a random one. In fact, you probably see I've had 3 different haircuts throughout the video. But basically, I want to do this quick video to explain a few things that have happened with the cars recently. So my brother's 33 has been fixed. It's actually a really weird reason why the car wasn't working before. So basically, the one of the lines that my brother installed when we changed the faulty fuel pump, so one of the fuel lines, technically he bought the right line in the sense of the thickness and everything like that, but apparently there's some little technicalities towards that kind of like pipe work, and he bought the wrong one and it wasn't creating enough pressure, and that's why the engine wasn't getting enough fuel going to it to let the car run. So that's what happened with that car's running, and Richard, or Steve Richards, or I don't know, no way, isn't that Captain America? What's that guy's name? I think it is Steve Richards. Let me go check. Steve Richardson. Now he has SR something something. I can't remember the name of his business right now. Really bad of me. But he came over and looked at my brother's Skyline, and my brother thought, since I got my Skyline getting checked out, I might as well have everyone else's Skyline looked at too. My Skyline basically got told all I need to do is change the strut tops, and then basically it should be rust free. I don't need to really do too much with the engine area. So that's good news for me, especially after undersealing the car and going through all of that headache. Happy days. And what did I need to do? I need to tell you guys next. Okay, so updates in the sense of what are we gonna do with modifying the cars. So I still have to, I have to get a new head unit for the R34. I have to fit the boost controller for the R34. So that's 2 things I need to do to that car. I need to get some of the stuff prepped and purchased for the E30. Hopefully, I want to do an engine swap next on that car. You know, kind of get the messy stuff done first, and then start building towards, you know, getting the car a bit more show car ready. And then yeah, I think basically that's it for life right now. No, I do want to change the coilovers on the R34, and I also need to, I just need to do a crap load to the E30. The E30 just needs to be parked up into the garage. I need to strip it down to bare metal and build it all the way back up from there. Let's see if I can do that, but right now I just need to look into buying a welder, getting the metals, and getting the engine and everything like that purchased. That's going to take me some time, so that's the reason why the E30 hasn't been getting much work done to it at all, because the next stage of that build is just going to be massive. It's going to take me so long, and I'd rather have things ready. I'd rather my brother take his car at the garage as well, and then the garage can be just mine. But otherwise, I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys. Like I said, it's a quick little update of some of the stuff that's going on. Oh crap, how could I forget? What happened with the RS6? So my brother, while owning the RS6 for just over a month, noticed that it was giving a really weird thud when changing gears. I think it was from third to fourth. Now they said it was apparently only software related. My brother didn't feel comfortable with that. The garage that he bought it off, which was an Audi showroom in London, they were basically being idiots. I'm gonna find out which Audi showroom is, and I'm gonna mention it in somewhere here, kind of thing. Yeah. So what they did was they one, they were really rude to my brother the whole time, and two, when it came to actually giving the car any form of anything, they actually specifically said, yeah, let me reframe that. When it came to actually giving my brother his car, they were really rude about everything. They were just really bad service. When we went to the local Solihull Audi showroom, when we went to the local showroom in Solihull, they basically came out and were like, look, put our hands up, we don't even know what the other showroom did. They clearly didn't show any, what is the word? The other showroom basically showed negligence towards taking care of the car, and that is the reason why they kind of eventually agreed to my brother returning the car. So they paid off towards the finance and agreed a settlement on that, and then my brother had to basically return the RS6. So it's pretty sad, you know. It was a beautiful car. I really enjoyed it, and I can't believe I basically only saw it twice. Once when I saw it in London, and once when I just saw it in Birmingham at the Solihull showroom. So yeah, that car's gone now. So goodbye RS6. My brother, I think, is going to try and focus on the R33 for the time being and look into other things that he would like to have as a daily driver. But that's basically the bulk of it. And also in the next video, you guys will see a bit more of our new car. So make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment on what kind of engine you think I should get for my E30 and what kind of alloys you think I should get for my R34. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace out, guys. Take care.